Chapter 1. Know your computer. This chapter focuses on characteristics of computer, uses of computer, types of computer, difference between computers and human beings. A computer is a smart machine. It works on electricity. Computer helps us in doing our works efficiently and correctly. Since it works very fast, it saves our time and efforts. It accepts instructions, processes it, and then gives out the result as output. A computer has 4 main parts: CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse. CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse. Factor frame. A CPU is also called system unit. The word computer has been derived from the word compute, which means to calculate. Characteristics of a computer. Speed. It works very fast and thus saves time. Never gets tired. It works for a long time without getting tired. Versatile. It can work at different places for different purposes. High storage capacity. It can store large amount of information. Accurate. It does not commit mistakes. It works very accurately. Uses of computer at different places. Computer is a very useful machine nowadays. There are various places where it is used. Let us study about the uses of computers at different places. At home. To play music. To complete homework. To watch movies. To get updated with the latest happenings around the world. In schools. To teach and learn. To keep various school records. To prepare report cards. In hospitals. To keep records of patients. To prepare medical reports. To prepare bills of patients. To better diagnose and do other tests of patients. In banks. To keep records of cash deposits and withdrawals. To keep account details of customers. To keep in touch with other financial institutions, to be updated with the latest developments. At railway stations and airports. To book or cancel the tickets. To provide information about the arrival and departure of trains and aeroplanes. Types of computers. Computers are available in various types and sizes. Desktop, laptop, palm top, tablet. Let us see how computers are different from human beings. Computer, human beings. I'll never forget things. Sometimes I forget things. I can do repetitive tasks again and again without getting bored. I get bored doing the same task again and again. I can work for long hours without getting tired. I cannot do work for a long time without taking rest. I always do calculations accurately. I can make mistakes sometimes. Thus, you can conclude that a computer is more accurate than human beings. A computer is faster than human beings. A computer does not make mistakes, does not get tired and bored. Still, a computer cannot be better than a human being, as a computer is a man-made machine and it cannot work without the help of human beings. Points to remember. A computer is a smart machine. There are various places where computers are used, such as home, school, hospital, bank, etc. Computers are available in various types and size. A. Take the correct option.